What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Monster Bunny from Zoonomoly. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of our page and draw two large circles for the eyes. Now I want to start with the one on the left, so we're going to start from the very top and just work our way around towards the bottom of the eye and then back up towards the top. Now I want to leave a small gap in between the eyes and draw the same size circle on the right. So we're going to start by lining up the top. We want to bring that down towards the same height and then all the way back up towards the top. Let's draw two smaller circles, but we want to push it towards the inside of the eye. So let's start on the inside of the left eye, go all the way around, come down, and then back in. And then we'll line that up on the right side. Now you want to trace this circle along the inside, just leaving a thin trim, going all the way around. Now with the eyes in place, we're going to draw the top edge of the mouth. On the outside of the left eye, we're going to step out, start by coming down around the eye, go across the middle, and then bend that up on the right side. Let's go back to the left side. We're going to curve the bottom of the mouth, coming down, go across, and then bend that up. Let's add some sharp fangs across the top. We're going to start in the middle, start with the left side, coming down, and then up. Add one coming down towards the right. Now we'll continue to add these teeth going out towards the left side. Let's add the teeth across the bottom. Again, starting in the middle, going up and down towards the left. Just gonna add a few more going out towards the side. And then we'll do the same thing on the right. Now I'm going to go back and add those drips coming down from the eye. Let's start from the outside, coming down, go up, and then all the way back down towards the mouth. Step in, going up, down, and then back up. Let's add those drips on the right side. Come all the way down, go up, add a small drip in the middle, come down towards the mouth, and bend this up towards the outside. Now that we have the face, let's move out to the side and draw the lower half of the head. For the top corner of the mouth on the left, we're going to step up, just going to curve the cheek, going around, come down and in towards the middle. We want to go around the right side, go up, and then bend that back in. Now we're going to go back to the side and draw the top half of the head with a half circle, going up, go around, and then back down. Now I want to add those drips coming down from the mouth. Let's start back over on the left side, just like we did with the eyes. We're going to come down, bend this up, come down towards the chin. Now leaving that gap, we just want to work our way across towards the right side, just adding these drips. Add another one coming down on the right, and then back up. Now we're going to add that large drip in the center coming down the middle. So let's start back over on the left side of the head. Just going to add a small drip along the top going up. Now let's stretch this down the middle of the forehead and go back up towards the right. Let's add a few more little drips going around, come down, up, and then out. Now let's move back up to the top and draw in those ears. We're going to leave a gap in the center. Let's start over on the left side. We want to bend this up and then out towards the tip, and we'll line this up on the right, going up, and then bend that out towards the same height. Let's go back to the side. We want to come straight down, and we'll just bend that in towards the side of the head. Now we want to add those folds inside the ear. Let's start from the tip. We're going to bend this in, come all the way down towards the side of the head, and do the exact same thing on the right. Now I want to add another fold along the outside. Start back at the tip of the ear, come down at an angle, and bend that back in. Now I'm going to switch to a thick black marker and fill the inside center of the ears. We're also going to fill in that drip along the top of the head. Now we'll fill in the center of each eye. And we'll fill that trim on the outside. And we're also going to fill in those drips. Now let's go back and add a few spots around the head. Just going to vary the size of these spots, starting with the left side. Just working our way around these drips. Let's add a few across the face. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the side of the body. We'll move over towards the left side, leaving a gap, and draw a straight line coming down and then in towards the hip. Let's line this up on the right. Coming straight down, and we'll bend that in towards the same height. Now let's move to the center, step down, add a curve, going up and then down. Now we're going to leave a gap in the center, go to the left side, draw the inside edge of the leg, bend this out and then down towards the heel, go to the right, come down towards the same height. Let's round out the bottom of the feet. Starting from the left heel, bend this down and up towards the toe. And then round out the top of the foot, going all the way around, and then bend this down, aiming towards the heel. And it'll go up to the hips. Want to leave a little overlap, bend the leg going out and then down on top of the feet. Let's separate the toes with two curves, one on the outside. Step in, draw that again. Now from the side of the body, I want to draw the inside edge of the arm. Let's start with the left. Bend this out and then down towards the wrist. And then line that up on the right. Now from the wrist, draw a half circle for the thumb. Close off the end with a bracket. Let's add 3 fingers on either side. Starting from the bottom of the thumb, come down and up around that bracket. Let's go to the side, add the second finger going out and in, and then the third finger, we're just going to blend this into the arm, going up and then in underneath the head. Let's do the same thing on the right. Now starting back over on the left side, I want to add some spots going across the body. Let's start up here. Just going to wobble this line going around. Add some smaller spots. And we'll go across the body, starting with the side, go over towards the right, and then the inside of the right arm going out. Now I'm going to add some across the leg, starting with the outside, now going back with a thick marker, we're going to fill the inside of each of those spots. then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Monster Bunny from Zoonomoly. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.